Hello, this is John Kelly. I'm a personal injury attorney in Phoenix, Arizona. I want to talk to you about hit and run accidents. If you've been a victim of a hit and run, there's certain things that you should be aware of. Not having the police be able to track the individual down that hit you is going to be a big factor in your case, and you want to try to prevent that if possible. There are some things that you can do if you do have the officers already investigating to try to help their investigation along the way. Make sure they are understanding of who all the witnesses that could be regarding the accident that you have access to. You may even want to go back to the scene, try to collect any evidence that may be there. There's times where there's video that you can collect from local businesses. You may even have your own photographs or video of the scene. Any information that you can gather will be helpful to the police. If you are able to establish who it was that committed the hit and run, that's a good thing, and you may have access to their insurance now to make a claim. However, if you're not able to track that person down, you still may have the benefit from your own insurance company through your underinsured motorist coverage, or actually in this case scenario, uninsured. Most uninsured motorist policies will cover you with a hit and run vehicle or a phantom vehicle even. So the scenario is that someone hits you, they leave the scene, police are never able to figure out who it was. You can now go back and make a claim on your underinsured motorist coverage policy for your damages. If you are able to find the person, great, you have a claim there, but you do have that fallback. Make sure you've elected that, and the way to know that is if you go to your declaration page through the insurance company that you were able to get your auto insurance through. Ask for your dec page, they'll be able to provide it for you, and you can check if you have underinsured. After you've established where you can collect from, you've got your liability covered, now you just have to make sure that you're building your damages, and that means you got to get your doctor's notes, bills and records. Make sure you go to all your doctor's visits. Make sure that you're communicating with your doctors, letting them know what you're going through, and do your best to document your own injuries yourself. Take notes about it, take photographs of what you've been through. If you are dealing with a hit and run accident, my firm has plenty of resources to help you establish the things that we talked about. Making sure there's the liability there, which is tracking down the police reports, getting additional pieces of evidence for them to make sure that we can establish liability. And on the other hand, building your damages, making sure that you have doctors that are helping you treat, making sure you're getting the right documentation and bills and records into the adjusters to evaluate. If you have any questions about these kind of claims, I'm happy to give you a free consultation. You can call me at 602-283-4122.